For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, bongani bobomnisi bafethu, ngicela subscribe ku Itiski TV.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Orlando Pirates 2, Mamelodi Sundowns, what you saw, man. Bobo, askis, mfowethu, askis. Bafana, it's international break. It's just a slip of the tongue, I'm sure.
Utholi salt phezu kwenxeba shini.
I've got my best friend here. We just won. So international break. Bafana sense proud. We are so happy. I mean, I can't remember the last time Bafana had this in those okay. This is us who are deciding. As Nigeria must beat Benin, Lesotho must draw with Zimbabwe. Now, should we beat Benin as well as in Chile in our previous video? Should we beat Benin? Now that means we could share 4 points. In Nigeria is a par and in the sweet Bobo. Ukuthi mhlawumbi kungenzeka ukuthi singasithi who ends hopes za Nigeria ukuthi babheke eAmerica ngoSeptember kahlala nabo, because if siwinile sayobabetha nabo ngapha, I don't think they will have any chance of going to eAmerica City ke ngoba bazawuchongana nezinye izinto. But okubalekile sokuthi bafana winile namhlanje ngo 2-0. Manje ukubulisa mfowethu kunjani? Ubone njani umdlalo namhlanje?
Shane, all right?
I'm good.
Bafana Shane, ngiyabulisa Shane, ngibulisa uJusto. Ngibulise uLindo Pep, ngibulise uThe Legend Tsofikazi Nkululeko,
the little Napoleon
no Junior. I'm very proud ngoHugo Bros. Ngifuna nje ukuyibeka icace lento Shane. I'm very proud ngoMadala because lento ama calculate ngiyasho ngithi mina yaphela Shane. But ngathi ukabona uma una lengane esidakwa umbuso. Thina ngathi sidakwa nje because of ngenjabulo Shane. Singamcriticize sithini uMadala, but lento ayenzayo for South Africa into enhle kakhulu she. It's very good because besingabantu bokuthi kumele ukuthi isiloko sibhizi sibamba ama calculator njengobusho ngapha kumele ukuthi mhlambe uma bathi siya hosta ngikhani sizo qualify.
Yes.
So ngiyacabanga coach Hugo Bros wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu Shane ku South Africa. I think wenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu because mawungabheka omunye umuntu mhlawumbe ngasho ukuthi okay, maybe nalama national team ezidlala nawo manje sikompete nawo mhlawumbe asa rebuilder because of our strong ngalendlela. But sike sawathola a week but sahluleka ukuqualify. So give credit to coach Hugo Bros and his technical team. Ngiyacabanga abo coach Helman Mkhelele kunendima abayidlalayo kakhulu uma ungabheka ku national team. So siyabonga kakhulu Shane man ukuthi sithola ama results afana nalawa. I think sina 10 point manje ku group siya leader. So into enhle le Shane. Ngisaphinda namanje futhi ngizohlala ngimbongisa coach Hugo Bros because into engichaza ngayo ngathi akusilo umuntu okufuna ukuthathelwa ama decision. Ngathi uya decide and lento ayenzayo uyayenza. Akanandaba ukuthi uShane uthini uBobo uthini. Wenza lento abona ngathi izomnceda. At the end of the day sithola ama results. Into esifunayo. So Shane, ukuze gaming bafana today, you remember ukuthi bafana beyidlala ngaliya double pivot yokuthi sazi kahle ukuthi bonke laba abantu laba balapha ayesibadlala ibhola but abantu aba strong physically. Remember bezidlala ngoyaya nomdlalo ofana noTebogo. But manje ulethe umdlalo ofana noAdams. Walethe umdlalo ofana noReilly today. I'm very happy ukubona uReilly noAdams balapha and they did very well these guys today. Bonke bo2 badlale kahle kakhulu namhlanje.
I hope you are happy that they are playing for Bafana.
I'm happy.
Okay.
More than happy Shane because
ndani kenda go futhetha nge 20 million, nge 30 million that must come from Chlorcorp to Moki Streets in Orlando about a certain player, but Bafana.
So Shane, ngibona ucoach namhlanje the way adlale ngakhona mawungabheka give credit ku defense even though bengabonisi mhlambe ukuba nobungozi kangaka iLesotho up front but ukuba organized nawo lamajita ngiyabanikeza credit uSibisi Ngezana noKhuliso noBasading. He played very well Shane. So I give credit to kulabadlala bafana nalabo. I think bafana idlale kahle. First half Shane uma ungabheka we created a lot of chances. But besingekho clinical final third uma ungabheka kunama chances esiwatholile I think awu5 first half. Uma ungabheka sithola ama 2 clear chances leya ka really abhekane no goalkeeper. It's a clear chance leyo yibona leya 1v1 unfortunately kube ne defender zompressa lapha akazange abe comfortable ungabheka ebholeni
Yeah.
then ubheke nebhola laka Lale laka Foster lele nhloko it was bekuyi chance leya then sawathola ama 3 yama half chance mangabheka lela lenhloko laka Sibisi then yeah akhona ama half chance ubheke nalela kaMkwena le free kick ama half chance lawo uyangithola so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekumele score amagoli amaningi special first half unfortunately azange because ungayibheka iLesotho nayo beize ngokudefenda Shane uma ungabheka yes bebazama ukuthi bafuna ukuthi basithusela kancane but bagcwalise lesasisu Shane le midfield nale defense ukuthi no kahle kahle bona bebadinga idraw remember ukuthi badlala ne team ebuya kuyothola ibronze ku-AFCON so obviously si threats kakhulu ku team efana neLesotho so ngiyacabanga ukuthi bazamile first half I think they did very well iLesotho ukuthi babambi bafana nga 0-0 uma ungabheka the way badlale ngakhona ukuthi no assistikeni ku game plan yethu singabanikeza igoli okay they tried ukuthi bangasinikezi lelo goli bebazama uku-add number in the middle of the park uma ungabheka bekuba nabadlali mhlawumbe laba bangafuni ukuthi sibe naleya build up most of the time i build up asinikeza yona basinikeza ukuthi at least silithasha uma immediately silithasha lapha ku build up ba pressa kancane bayabuya via uyangithola so ilento engithi mhlawumbe ngibanikeza icredit lapho ukuthi at least bazame because umdlalo ngimbonile ngathi ufuna ukuthi asinikeze inkinga bokuyu Bering I think uthola ama chances awu2 first half uthola ichance e1 I think ye set piece waphinda manje uthola ichance alshaya ngo left la
so uBering is the star player.
Oh it's a star player dala phela la uBering le South Africa dala khona but the star player seLesotho uzawuthini Shane imizi ayifani Shane yeah so bazamile Shane lapho bazame khona
but kodwa
ushukuthini Shane
yazi into engaqhawulanga mhlobo wami yazi lo mdlalo namhlanje unikhumbuza le midlalo idla ngodlalo yeNedbank Cup where you will find a team from the Premier Division playing against a team from the ABC Motsepe League or mhlawumbe pha ezansi because you could see man equality but even before scored ukuthi equality there's huge difference between thina neLesotho even those ngakhange siwasebenzisa amathuba ukuthi asawina ngo2 I think umdlalo supposed to win nge10 score.
Yeah I think nabo basirespecte kakhulu Shane bona ngibonile ukuthi kunamathashise bebazama ukuwenza ubona ukuthi they can play but ba respecta ibafana kakhulu uyangithola so ila ngisho khona ngithi mina i game plan yabo ukuthi bebazitshela ukuthi ngcono sibambe idraw because asikwazi ukumesha ibafana pound to pound the way bazazi bangakhona uyangithola so ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane into engiyibonile second half ukuthi bazama ukubuya bafuna ukudefenda deep ukuthi batbona basafuna uku-attack phela second half mawungabheka ithe uma icala second half abazange basafuna nokuthi mhlambe bafuna uku-attempt or benzani bavele badecide ukuthi no asibambe njengoba sibambe first half but give credit kuMkwana that individual brilliant ukubitha laba abantu abawu3 lapha ekhoneni uyabona ukuthi badila ngalento yokupressa in the middle of the park ukuthi singadlali bafuna ukupressa always so uMkwana usebenzisa ukube nobuhlangano kakhulu lapha Shane ukuthi abithe laba abantu and what I like ngo Foster lapha uFoster wenze wadonsa leya defense ukuthatha leya run ashifte then he allows uMkwana ukuthi abuye azongena phela ngibona ngathi ugood sometimes uma eza ngetarget uMkwana then ukuza direct ukaMkwana ushiftile lapho leila then wa create space for uMkwana azokhona ubona umdlalo ufana noReal ngapha first touch uReal a good finisher you know ukuthi uReal umnikeze ispace esifana nalesi session uzokwenzela amawaza so give credit kubadlali abafana nabo labo ubheke negame negoal number 2 yaka Adams I think idlale kahle kakhulu the assist yaka Real ubheke nalo yamdlalo ufana nongezana akazange afuna ukwenza izinto zibenzima uyazazi ukuthi idefender leka 10 but wenzani wathatha ibhola wabuyisa back ukuba khona kwa Adams that is why ngithi layer 3 ye midfield beyinikeza uAdams sometimes ukuthi abe khona ku-hiding ku-attack no really abe khona ku-attack while uMkweni ugadile sometimes siyambona umdlalo ofana noAdams uyabuya azodlala behind uMkwena so ngiyacabanga cishe badlala nje ngale double pivot yakabani yakayaya nobani noMkwena ukuthi sometimes uma uhambile kumele si-ready game mangabe uhambile okay but uMkwena beyangekho more offensive mawungampela that's why nama chances amaningi beyangawathola ukuthi abe khona lapha bekaba more ku defense then anikeza uAdams nomdlalo ofana noReal i-chance ukuthi bayenze lawo ma-box entries bakhona ukunokha ibhola bayifika ku-final third but yeah give credit bafana yeah uLeil man uFrost la ngimbonile noTawu banama on and off sometimes uTawu uyambona ukuthi kunala khona ubona ukuthi sometimes uluza amabhola easy Shane akumelanga uluza amabhola easy umdlalo ofana noTawu sibhekele experience onayo ngiyacabanga ukuthi angazi mhlawumbe ukuthi mhlawumbe ucoach ufuna umnikeza confident ubonile noma mhlawumbe silida nga 2-0 down akazange amsapi ngiyacabanga ufuna umgale confident ukuthi akabuye at least because uyambona ukuthi uyaleka uleke confident umdlalo ufana no pace but udinga ukubekezela umdlali it's a national team player Shane asikwazi ukuthi mhlawumbe singavela simvalele ngaphandle
bonakala ngathi sisenazo nezinye player must remember there's Uloch pha kwi-Wydad. There's also Cassius Mailula. Kubonakala ngathi i-competition izawuba nzima bomzi kufanele kuchoose i-squad. You must remember before siye kwi-World Cup there's the AFCON now ngo-December. There were players like Abotito bengekhoyo, uMshishi akakabikho, as player ndizimalileyo uThembinkosi Lodge, Cassius Mailula. It seems like i-competition isezawuba nzinyanyana pha bobo ukuthi uHugo Broos uzoba ne-headache when it comes to choosing the final 23 or 26 man squad ezayo kwi-AFCON ngo-December. In 30 seconds just before siyivale, uyibona njani i-quality bafana going to i-AFCON ngo-December?
uMadala akanasikhathi ushaya copy and paste sometimes akanasikhathi ukuthi uzothi kwenza ungabheka abaningi abadlali abenza kahle noMayo simbona wenza kahle
Limlibela,
yes kunabadlali okay siyambona noCampbell uhambile siyacabanga ukuthi naye uzophakamisa isandla sinabadlali abafana nabo Mahlambi ngiyacabanga uyaya khumbula ukuthi naye usaseku injury so ucoach njengoba ngisho ngithi ukuletha labadlali namhlanje mhlawumbe badlale nge-V shape la ku middle of the park I think ubonile ukuthi silekha lo emidlalo o number 10 ukungabi khona kwakaTito kuleya number 10 or kwakamshishi ingendlela ngibona angadlalanga ngale double pivot ukuthi le V ayenze ukuthi kube nomdlalo oyi1 phambi kwabo that is why wenze ukuthi at least umkwena azama ukustika then anikeza laba badlali because of besimdinga lo number 10 ukuthi azobossa le number 10 azama ukucollecta lama ball ahlangane nabadlali abafana nobani nabo abo force la lapha phambili nabadlali abafana nabo pace so ngiyacabanga Shane going forward sina team man kubafana sina team engacompete just that kumele ukuthi abadlali uma banikeza uchance kumele bazimisele Shane uMadala kana ukuthi mhlambe uzo favor wena athi kanjani siyambona okay kupace umnikeza leyo chance mhlambe abalandeli bangacabanga ukuthi angamnikeza yona but mina ngisho ukuthi coach Hugo Broos wenza into ngendlela yakhe going forward Shane sizoya siyocompete definitely sure sizoya siyocompete Shane.
Well, thank you so much Bobzin, thank you so much. Bafana 2 Lesotho 0. Special mention, special message to captain Orlando Pirates Innocent Maele who just got married namhlanje. Congratulations to wena skipper, may uThixo nezinyanya zakho zinigcine nefamily yakho nikhule nobabini nikhulisa umndeni nehloniphane nithandane. From all of us at Diski TV City, well done and congratulations Innocent Maele. Thank you so much for watching Diski TV.
Thank you.
For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.